In today's video, I'm going to give you the names of the 12 months in Ogoni, in pure Ogoni language, with their complete spelling. So if this is your first time on my channel, do what to like, share and subscribe. Let's go to the board. Z-U-E, Zua. So here is Kueno Alebuzin Dua. How many months that are in a year? How many months that are in a year? Kueno Alebuzin Dua. This is the spelling in pure Ogoni Khana language. Kueno Alebuzin Dua. So this is ku, how many? Ku, how many? Eno months. Ale, a, in 1 year. You understand it? Ku is how many? How many? Eno is months. Ale, a, bu, in, zin, man. Then dua is year. So this is a question. So you put question mark. How many months that are in a year? The answer: loop, le, by, enon, ale, bu, zin, dua, loop, le, by, enon, ale, bu, zin, dua, which is loop, le, by, which is 12. Loop, le, by is 12. 12. This is the same thing as month. Month. That. In 1 year. This is 1. As you know, this is year. This is year. So the question here is, how many months that are in a year? So this is the answer: loop, le, by, eno, ale, buzin, dua, ale, buzin, dua, loop, le, by, eno, ale, buzin, dua. So let's proceed and then go to the names of the months that are in our own calendar. Listen authentically as we proceed. This is nice. It's good to teach your language. So this is my only way of promoting the Ogoni culture. So here we have number 1, January. January is number 1. Tua, eno. We have tua, eno. Tua, eno. We have tua, eno. Here we have 2, by, eno. We have by, eno. We have 3, which is ta, eno. We have number 4, nia, eno. Yeah, no. We have 5, oo, eno. Here we have 6, ini. We have eno, which is number 6. We have ini, eno, which is eno. 7. We have eleba, eno. Here we have 8, which is eleta, eno. We have 9, which is elenia. Eno. Then we have 10, which is loop, eno. Then 11, loop, lezin, eno. We have the final one, which is 12, look, le. le, loble, ba, eno, loble, ba, eno. So here on the board we have, this is the complete 12 months of the year in pure Ogoni language in our own Ogoni calendar. So we have number 1, which is Tua Tua Eno as January. We have Ba Eno, which is February. We have here Pa Eno, which is March. We have Nia Eno, which is April. We have O Eno, which is May. And we have Ini Eno, which is June. Ereba Eno, which is July. We have Eleta Eno, which is August. We have Eremia Eno, which is September. We have Eremia Eno, which is September. September is Eremia Eno. September Eremia Eno is September. While Lubeno is October. Loblezin Eno is November, and Lobleba Eno, which is the last, is December. All this is just, if you can recall back, Eno, this is the spelling of Eno, which is month. So Eno is month. So here we have Tua Tua, which is the first, beginning. Tua Tua, beginning. Tua Tua is refer to beginning of anything. Tua Tua, beginning. So here we have Ba, second to Ba. You can say Ba Do, which is second position or second class. This is Ba Do, Ba No, second month of the year. Pa, third month of the year. Nia, fourth month of the year. Fifth month of the year. In sixth month of the year. We have Eleba, which is seventh month of the year. We have here Ereta, which is eighth month of the year. We have Erenia, which is ninth month of the year. And we have Lup, which is the 10th month of the year. And we have Loblezin, which is the 11th month of the year. And we have Lobleba, which is the 12th month of the year. So this is the complete months of the year according to the Ogoni calendar. Thank you very much for your time. If this is our first time on the channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. My name is Peter Mwenganani, your host today. This is my own little way of contributing to the Ogoni language and promoting my culture, which is my heritage. I love Ogoni. I like teaching my language. Thank you so much.